been watching the charts and it became apparent there's going to be like a runner's swell for Mullaghmore, and not just one stab at it, but like a 5 or 6 days on the trot, and it had super tough conditions, howling onshore, wind, rain, snow, but what was apparent there would be opportunities. It's freezing, it's the coldest day by far, snowing, southerly winds. Probably at the biggest waves now. Seen like a couple probably at 30-foot bottoms, but like dropping sections, and just gonna go out and see what we can get. Hopefully we can get 1 or 2. Make the most of the swell.
They danced and sang the whole night long. All the girls were in their prime. Johnny courted Nancy, just 16, whispered gently in her ear. She laid her head against his chest, he pulled her revenue. Oh, don't go down the mountain pass, don't go to the forest deep, for you won't be coming back, my dear, though you'll find the darkness.
When I pulled it that way, sort of went over. It wasn't even hard, but it went so deep. And my board must have hit the bottom because the nose is smashed. But my ears went, both my ears went, and my nose just like popped with the pressure or something. Scoring waves in islands, like, it's never simple. What we learn very quickly is that the second it looks surfable, you've got to get out there, because it's going to change pretty soon. I don't know why anyone else isn't there. It's fucking pumping.
The heaviest day so far that I've seen since I'm here, so see some 3 or 4 giant waves that are breaking. One of the most heaviest waves I've ever seen in my life, so yeah, let's go.
It was so windy this morning, you'd just like pretty much written it off and gone, right, okay, no one's going to surf today. And now, like, the sun's come out, it's light offshore, it's nuts.
It's just crazy session. It's like the 3rd day here and the biggest one so far, so just 2 of us. It was like so intense and beautiful session, like one of the best sessions of my life. Like, stoked.
I was almost going to give up because I saw this squall coming in. I was like, oh, I'm done. I didn't know he had a wave, and Hugo just put me in the spot, and it was just that was it. It's like easy, but it had weird warps in it, and I had 2 pumps in it as well. It's like proper. It's tough to see the actual hole at Mullaghmore. Like, you usually like just in the pocket. You're never actually like really deep. But I could see the full thing, and it spat as well. And then I came out. Sucked that no one else was there. It was sketchy. It was really low tide, big. I was like, if something goes wrong, we're in deep trouble, you know, like we'd be blown out to sea within minutes. But yeah, stoked.